This is my combine trades update. In this video, I'm showing two trades from this week, one trade from Monday and one trade from Tuesday. The biggest thing I want you to notice is this: I didn't chase. Last week, I caught myself pressing a little bit, trying to make something happen, trying to force trades that really weren't there. But this week, I had to go back to my roots. I had to go back to the same approach I use in my own trading account: wait for the setup, let the market come to me, and if the trade is not there, leave it alone. That's where my EML approach comes in: early, midday, late day. The idea is simple. The time windows aren't new. Traders have been watching the open, the middle of the day, and the late day moves forever. But the way I approach EML is different. I'm not just watching time frames. I'm stacking the early, midday, and late day setups into a plan. Once you lock the rhythm in, it helps you stop forcing trades and start waiting for higher probability moments. I come in around 6 a.m. Pacific time. I prep, I check the market, I get ready for the 6:30 open. I'm watching the opening range and I'm looking for structure. If I don't see anything clean around 7:45 or 8 o'clock, I'm not going to sit there and force it. I'll step away. Then I come back for midday window, look for another clean setup. If I don't see it there, I step away again. Then I come back around 12:40, 12:45 Pacific time and look for the late day setup. That keeps me disciplined. That keeps me from overtrading, and that keeps me from sitting in front of a charts all day looking for a reason to click buttons. The Monday trade you're watching here was more of a late day setup. The market had already shown weakness, and the chart was falling off. I scaled into the trade, but I want you to be clear. Scaling in is not something you do just because the trade is going against you. You need structure. You need a plan. You need defined risk. Because if you scale in with no plan, that can turn into a real bad habit real quick. And bad habits is something that we need to avoid in trading. I know some people try to run through combines in 2 or 3 days. That's not the pace I'm trying to force right now. I'm trying to trade with discipline, follow my rules, and lead by example. One thing I do want to be very clear about: I do take losses. The difference is I keep them small. If a trade goes against me, I'm not sitting there watching it draw me down anymore. That's the beginner mistake that most people got to grow out of. I'll cut it, reset, and if the setup is still valid, I get back in at a better spot. Small losses keep me in control. On Tuesday, I caught another trade during the midday window. I didn't catch anything clean in the morning, so I waited. When the setup showed itself, I took it. And today, Wednesday, I didn't take anything yet. I didn't see my setup, so I'm not chasing one. That's part of trading too. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. We have to be disciplined enough not to. Sometimes it's better to walk away with a small green day than not a green day at all. If you got anything from this content, please hit the like and subscribe button. That's the lesson.